Today we're talking about windows, more specifically, blinds. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll be right back. All right, we make a hardtop lifter here at SmarterHome. Make a lot of other products too. And some of our products go in windows. If you check that out, in there, these are not normal blinds. See all that? That right there? These are MySmartBlinds, which means you can control from your phone when these open or close. That is our Smartlock. Nobody else has that. We invented that. Check how easy this is to install. Done. Isn't that incredible? Admit it. You just want to go install some of these right now just so you can do something that cool. Yeah. And that's it. These blinds are now calibrated and they're ready to go. Shoot! I forgot the solar panel. Hold on one second.
A few moments later.
Fancy seeing you here. You know what? I'm glad you came in because we just added a whole bunch of new colors of blinds that we have available, and I'd love to show them to you. Stay right there. I'll be right back. These are my favorite. One of our favorite features of the MySmartBlinds is the fact that they're solar powered. They're completely wireless. And that's really why I'm out here in a parking lot. So you can see that they are functioning perfectly and there's no wires. You just watched me install them. The clip snap on there just like that. So solar panel snaps on like that. It plugs in right there. Just tuck in the extra cable there and you're ready to go. This solar panel right now is working. MySmartBlinds are awesome. We love them, we think they're great, we think everybody should have them. You may be like me in that you already have some blinds in your house, but they're normal blinds. And so you're thinking, gosh, I would love to have MySmartBlinds, but I don't want to buy a whole new set of blinds. Well, we got you covered. This is our automation kit. This allows you to turn ordinary blinds into MySmartBlinds. And it comes with a solar panel as well. That's it though. I mean, that's all it takes to install these blinds. And yes, I've done a couple, but this was only the third set of blinds I'd ever installed our automation kit into. I am by no means an expert. The first one maybe took me an hour. The instructions that come with the automation kit are incredibly useful. They cover the different kinds of blinds that you might have and how you can remove the rod, remove the different components so that you can put in the MySmartBlinds components. It's a really fantastic system. I love it. You can also get our bridge, which will allow you to connect it to Google and Alexa, so you can use voice commands, which is going to be really awesome. MySmartBlinds and the automation kit, which is basically MySmartBlinds in a box, are my favorite product that SmarterHome makes. Every day, my blinds open and close, and I don't have to tell them to do it. I get the most light, I get the most amount of privacy, and I don't have to think about it. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all the videos from SmarterHome, where we help you make your home smarter, simpler, and safer. Well, do we have a product for you? I really need to stop cussing. Shoot, I'm speaking in church on Sunday.